Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something for my camper conversion. This is a new steel bed frame I'm going to whack together. I was using a wooden frame which worked fine for 6 months or so, and then one of the bits of wood split. So I thought I'd have a go at making a steel frame. This is all square hollow tube, 25mm by 1.6 wall thickness. I'm just using this gasless MIG that I bought off eBay. I do not have high expectations, but the good thing is the welds aren't super critical as far as the strength of the bed goes, because the crossbars will actually reach over the edge of the supporting rail. So basically the welds only have to hold everything together. Anyway, I know very little about welding, but I have done it once or twice before, so let's give it a go. Alright, well, that's the job done. Some of the worst welding you'll see in your life, but should be strong enough for my purposes. I'm just going to grind it back, tidy it up a little bit, paint over the welds, and then I'm going to give the whole thing another coat of grey paint and start fitting it to the van. So, here's my finished bed frame, which I'll be putting in tomorrow. I just painted it with a normal semi-gloss. Ideally I'd use enamel, or even better than that, maybe powder coating. But I was just going to have a foam mattress sitting on it, so I won't get a lot of wear and tear anyway. As I said, the original wooden frame that I used worked fine for 6 months, but then one of the pieces of wood split, and instead of fixing it I thought I'd try something different. This way I get 45mm more headroom under the bed frame when it's raised up, which will be ideal, because right now I just barely touch my head on the frame, so that'll be just above. And I don't think I'll have any problems with this one breaking. That's the bed all mounted up. Just got the mounting bolts in relatively loose so things can move around for now. And let's see how it goes. So, the van's sitting on an angle now, so the bed didn't go up completely straight, but the good news is I don't hit my head anymore. Now I've just got to get the bed back in here. So there you have it, one complete bed frame back in position. We'll see how long this one lasts. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next time. Cheers.